Traditional Chinese medicine halls can now provide more services as authorities gradually ease some circuit breaker measures. And from next week, other businesses like pet supply stores will also reopen. Melissa Go reports.
Traditional Chinese medicine halls can now resume acupuncture treatment to manage pain. They are taking measures like disinfecting regularly and treating patients one at a time. These halls can also continue selling products, but the eased measures only apply to those with registered practitioners. TCM clinics like Yuansang saw a surge in acupuncture appointments from the usual 30 to more than 50 clients. Previously, they were only allowed to provide consultations and dispense herbal products.
Customers who have experienced conditions like frozen shoulder, so they couldn't go to our clinics for TCM services or acupuncture services during this period of time. So they were very happy and they immediately made an appointment for today.
The Singapore Chinese Physicians Association also welcomed the move, but it said the measures may not be financially sustainable for the TCM business in the long run.
Most of our colleagues' feedback, most of our business are affected, let's say minimum 50%, and some as bad as 90%. Some TCM practitioners, they do nothing else but only acupuncture. The general practice is the acupuncture patients can be many at one time. But by all these measures come in, you can maybe only take in one patient an hour.
Dr. Lim said she hopes other TCM treatments like Tuina, massage and moxibustion will be allowed in the coming months. Pet supply stores that were asked to shut in late April are also preparing to reopen next week. But they will need to operate with measures like contact tracing and continue to limit the number of people in each outlet.
We're definitely very happy with the decision that came. A good proportion of the business that we have are actually brands that we import exclusively. With the sudden surge, of course, like I say, the sustenance for their pets could be delayed. The concern here is actually quite great because and it's not really an option for them to switch diet that simply, because any change in diet for the pet could result in them falling sick in a form of maybe allergy or diarrhea.
Businesses like barbers, home-based businesses and laundry services will also be allowed to resume operations on 12 May. They are encouraged to follow the government's latest advisories according to the Singapore Business Federation.